This skill module covers division-based equipment selection and installation in oil and gas facilities at the core knowledge level. This section discusses why this topic is important. Oil and gas installations are highly automated, including a great deal of electrical equipment that could become an ignition source for the fuels we produce. Proper application of protection methods to prevent electrical equipment from becoming ignition sources is a critical safety function. This skill module focuses on equipment selection, installation, and maintenance practices in hazardous, potentially explosive locations. It is based on the division system widely used in North America and other select areas of the world. See the companion skill module Zone-Based Equipment Selection and Installation in Oil and Gas Facilities Core for the zone system used worldwide, but less commonly in the United States. The designation, classification of hazardous location into divisions or zones is covered in our companion skill module, Hazardous Area Classification in Oil and Gas Facilities Core.